Hi guys, for today's video we're going to cook a fish fillet in the oven with potato. This is good for diet, to lose weight. So continue watch my video. This is Helen More, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how I make this? Let's go! So for our ingredients, we need 1 potato cut into thin slices. We also need fresh coriander leaves, 2 or 3 pepper, 1 spoon of cornstarch, 1 lemon. We also need olive oil, half glass of water, and of course our fish fillet. For our spices, we need salt and pepper, fish curry powder, 1 maggi cube, garlic and onion powder, and if you don't have those, you can use the normal one, just only some cut into small pieces. So first step, we're going to put the olive oil on the Pyrex. You have to spread it. Then this time, we're going to put the potato. Rinse it well so that it will cook fast together with our fish. So now it's rinsed good, so we're going to put our fish. So this time, we're going to put a little bit of black pepper. Then half of the lemon. We're going to juice the lemon. Then a little bit of salt. Then we put a little bit of fish curry to the top, only some. Then we add again a little bit of olive oil to the top. Then we're going to cover it with fuel. Then we're going to put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So I have covered it already. So this time we're going to put in the oven. So I switched the oven to 180 degrees. Our fish fillet is there, so we're going to wait until 35 to 40 minutes. So while waiting for our fish, we're going to make our sauce. So this is the cornstarch, 1 spoon. We're going to add the half cup glass of water. Then we're going to add the remaining lemon. Then we're going to mix. We will not put it on fire yet. When it's already mixed well, then we can put it on fire. So now it's already mixed well, so we're going to put it on fire. So you have to open only in a low one so that our sauce will combine well. This time we're going to put all the spices. Add a little black pepper, our pepper, we're going to add them. Then we're going to mix. So if you are having a losing weight, this one is very good food. You can eat this on lunch or dinner with no rice, only the potato. Keep on mixing it until it's will become sticky. So now our sauce is done. It's a little bit sticky and spicy. So we're going to switch it up and we're going to wait our fish for a while. So after 35 minutes, we're going to take out our fish. So as you can see, it's done and there is water in it. So now it's ready to serve. So as you can see, it's ready now. So we're going to put our sauce on the top. Then last but not the least, our fresh coriander leaves. So now we're going to eat. So now it's time to taste our fish in the oven with potato. We'll taste the potato. So as you can see, it's very soft and cooked very well. It's sour, a little bit hot, and we'll taste our fish. Perfect. So you have to try this and cook it on this recipe. So thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe. This is Helen More and God bless us all. Bye bye.